Creality 3D printers are known for delivering reliable performance, excellent print quality, and great value, making them a favorite choice for beginners and experienced makers alike. Whether you're tackling detailed miniatures, functional parts, or creative projects, Creality's lineup offers versatile options to bring your ideas to life with precision and ease. Starting at number 1. Official Creality 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 5S1 3D printer is a high-speed, high-precision machine designed for makers who want faster printing without sacrificing quality. It supports speeds of up to 250 mm per second and features a stable all-metal cube frame that minimizes vibration for smooth, accurate results. The upgraded direct drive extruder with a 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle allows printing with a wide range of filaments, while CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling ensures consistent first layers with minimal setup. With its compact yet capable 8.66 x 8.66 x 11.02-inch build volume, the Ender 5S1 is a powerful and reliable choice for both detailed and functional 3D printing projects. Number 2. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is a high-performance, ultra-fast machine built for users who need speed, intelligence, and a large build area in one powerful package. With blazing print speeds of up to 600 mm per second and an oversized 11.81 x 11.81 x 11.81-inch build volume, it's ideal for large prototypes and complex prints. Advanced AI error detection using an AI camera and LiDAR, combined with fully automatic bed leveling, helps ensure accurate first layers and reliable results. Powered by a smart Creality OS system and equipped with dual-fan cooling, the K1 Max delivers smooth, stable, and high-quality prints even at extreme speeds. Number 3. Official Creality Ender 3V2 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3V2 upgraded 3D printer is a reliable and user-friendly DIY 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want consistent performance and quality results. It features a self-developed silent motherboard that delivers smoother motion control, stronger anti-interference, and ultra-quiet operation, making it ideal for home or office use. Powered by a UL-certified branded power supply, the printer ensures fast heating, stable long-term printing, and enhanced safety thanks to its neatly concealed design. The carborundum glass build platform heats evenly and provides excellent print adhesion while allowing finished prints to be removed easily, helping reduce warping and improve first-layer quality. With a generous 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84-inch build volume, the Ender 3V2 can handle a wide range of creative and functional projects. User convenience is further enhanced by the 4.3-inch smart color screen with an upgraded UI, an extruder rotary knob for effortless filament loading, and a resume printing function that automatically continues printing after a power outage, saving time and material. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame and weighing just over 15 pounds, the Ender 3V2 offers an excellent balance of durability, safety, and ease of use for everyday 3D printing. Number 4. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer is a cutting-edge, high-speed FDM machine engineered to deliver extremely fast and precise prints with advanced smart features. It boasts a maximum printing speed of up to 600 mm per second and acceleration up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, making it significantly faster than many standard 3D printers while maintaining strong print quality and detail. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including carbon fiber reinforced filaments, thanks to its 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature hot end, all-metal clog-free direct drive extruder, and durable tri-metal nozzle design that grips filament tightly and prevents jams. Number 5. Official Creality Ender 3S1 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3S1 3D printer is an upgraded and beginner-friendly 3D printing machine that builds on the popular Ender series with powerful enhancements for better performance and ease of use. It comes with a Sprite direct dual-gear drive extruder that provides smooth, reliable filament feeding and improved handling of flexible materials like TPU. The printer features CR Touch automatic bed leveling with 16-point compensation, eliminating the need for manual calibration and helping ensure excellent first-layer adhesion. A dual Z-axis screw system increases stability and reduces vibration for more precise and consistent prints, while the 32-bit silent motherboard keeps operation quiet. The Ender 3S1 also includes a removable PC spring steel print bed for strong print adhesion and easy model removal, filament runout detection, and resume print after power loss functions to help prevent failed prints. With a generous 8.6 x 8.6 x 10.6 inch, 220 by 220 by 270 mm, build volume, intuitive 4.3-inch LCD interface, and mostly pre-assembled design, it's a versatile and reliable choice for both beginners and more experienced makers looking for high-quality FDM 3D printing.